What sound?
It should make a dong sound.
On the way to fishing, I came across an abandoned car and saved it for 10,000 yen. I earned 2 yuan and 80 cents per pound, and now I just want to restore it.
Its last date is 95 years. So a very happy thing. On the way, I encountered a divine car. Tire gas is covered in dust. The sleeve princess is spotted and looks like it has been abandoned for a long time. Such a classic car aroused my desire to protect again. Either you can't see it, and you see me, the flower protector, as a determined. It may have moved the heavens and caused a storm. I don't know if I sympathize with this car or the girl. After the baptism of rain, it is bright. But these scars, God is also very helpless. The car was transported away. The rain stopped, and I was going fishing. You can also pick up a car on the way to fishing, and it seems that you will report it today. The divine car was also dragged back.
BMW's flagship supercar, the BMW 850i, is equipped with a V12 engine. Everyone looks at this shape as if it is very bright. It's a pity that this original car owner doesn't love you. Look at how thick his car paints, and these tweezers are. These tweezers and tweezers have been embroidered. We can see this 8-meter full wheel bone, which is an extraordinary classic. Then there is this huge central lock and cover plate to block the screws inside. This can be the wheel bone of the 90 generation, which is extraordinary, and advanced. This adult's design is also very impressive, but it is now broken. It is a design of a flip lamp. In the evening, it can open 2 glasses.
I found that many lines were watched by Lao Hu and sang this line and that line. Hey, is this clean for you?
Huh?
To post so many inspection thieves,
The show that can be shown. The rotten line. And the line is a mess. Drive away the indigenous people here. After that, I looked at these panels as if I had entered first, and there was a picker here. And he came up with a handpick, and his previous date was 95 years. 195 years. Change the battery and start it first. How did it open?
FNSYOUKNOW.
thank you, thank you, thank you.
Well, it's just a bright one, and then it's new. Hey, I can't move. No response, no response. Let's take a look at the starting motor. When I changed the battery, there was no response, and the line was broken everywhere. Or go up to the workstation for a specific inspection.
If you can design this machine well, it is really what we think. A big mouth.
It broke down.
I am the bow of the boat. More than 30 years have been crippled, let alone cars. People can't stand it. Look at the chassis arrow. It's more bad than I thought. It is not a general show, but a direct show that is worn off. It's really like shaking your head when you see the door.
It turns out that the farther away old-fashioned one is the same as a large truck at that level. This is all about saving us.
The battery is electric. After getting the line recorded, try to start it to see if it can be activated.
It should be an electric suction device. It is slightly integrated into this teaching book. These are the poems that have come. The origin may not be organized, and it is not easy to do anything like this.
Looking at the data on the activation WADA, the possibility of sensory transfer is not great.
The gods will operate together and finally awaken the pony. By the way, take care of the physical show. Put it in the car and let's try to start.
The starter couldn't pump oil, so I had to use a hairstyle to help people fly.
Try.
It was started several times, and a puddle of gasoline was found on the ground. The real thing is speechless. At present, this car cannot be used upstream, and can only be used as gasoline to burn. Try it once and start the engine.
There is no problem. But now there is no problem in the oil and red industry, and there is also a problem with the line. I always saw that this car was very melancholic, and I didn't believe in it.
The more difficult it is, the more I have to do it. And tomorrow I will check the anti-light machine carefully, so that I have to start it.
The oil pipe burst and everything fell to the ground.
I had to try using synthetic fiber to get gasoline.
Come on! Are you not moving? Are you starting now? Come on!
But it still didn't ignite.
The wiring around the fuel line has a problem. The wiring here got wet and burned out completely. I'll replace the wire for you.
One of the wires is connected to the starter motor, and the light will come on the moment it starts.
For this car, we decided to press the gasoline in.
Come on, start.
Originally, it was still a circuit problem. No problem.
Let's do this. Let's go home. It's impossible. Check it. There's no power. It's about to break. Oh, no power. Oh, then something inside is broken. Took it apart and found the fuel injector was terribly rusted. Solve one problem at a time. Let's treat the fuel injector with ultrasound first.
Maybe the weather is too cold and this car hasn't been used for several days. Let's spray some synthetic fiber in first and now replace all the fuel injectors with new ones.
What does that sound?
It should make a dong sound.
It still won't start. Is there a problem with the engine? Try again. Start it again.
Hey.
It's back again. It can be given to someone else.
Decided to use a screwdriver to fully open the valve.
This is fine. Hold steady. The wrench is on top.
Alright, let's leave it at that. Here it comes.
Finally, it's running.
Awesome, the engine is fine, so we can confidently disassemble and refurbish. To thoroughly refurbish this abandoned old car, of course, it must be completely dismantled. Who can withstand the knife of time? Even plastic crumbles like dust at a touch.
Inside.
Even decorations need to be completely dismantled.
This should be like the information pole of Asan. Look at this level of aging, it's also broken. The roof lining is also taken down. Oh, the whole big machine is out. The hardware of the rear window is still dripping water. The interior is finally stripped bare. This car has two batteries, both of which have been removed, and the spare tire has also been taken down. The disassembly is almost complete, and all the rotten holes everywhere need to be properly repaired. I really look forward to seeing it refurbished.